SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to show lowercase keys on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you open an app on your iPhone that uses the keyboard, such as Messages, and you bring up the keyboard, then you'll note that the display of the letters on the keyboard are going to be all capital letters, regardless of whether you're typing in capital or lowercase. However, there is a setting that you can change on your iPhone so that the display of these characters changes based on whether you're going to type a capital or a lowercase letter. You can change this setting by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Accessibility option. Then you can scroll down again and tap the Keyboards button in the Physical and Motor section. Now you just need to tap the button to the right of Show Lowercase Keys to turn it on. And now when you go back to an app that uses the keyboard, you can bring up that keyboard and it's going to switch between upper and lowercase letters based on whether or not you're going to be typing an uppercase or lowercase letter. For example, I'm going to type a capital S and then it switches over to lowercase, so I'm going to be typing all lowercase letters instead.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.